30. Yep. You gotta put that.
30.
You gotta put that in.
The water drugs, bro?
What's D grab?
Grab that.
How to pull that?
Three layers here?
Yep, and that's gonna be the base.
So layer here?
The one with the apex on it is always gonna be the base. That's your end one. You start off with it and you end with it.
Already put his face up, hold this tail beam up, that way that camera doesn't hit the ground. I'm going ahead and go here. Right here. Good. Got it? Yep. Hold on. Very good. All right, stand clear up there.
Hey, Anders, can you tighten these up?
Up. That's good. All right.
You tell me one. Oh, no, well. Is that there's only one target for the toes?
Toe the wire! Toe the wire! Toe the wire!
Toe the wire.
Deflection! 3142! Charge 1! Elevation! 1147! What's up?
Hang it on one!
Let me just put it that way, no problems. If it does, you know what to do? Hang it on one! Hang it on one! That's how you do it.
3,
Charge 1.
6, 12, 18 rounds in effect. 16.
Immediate suppression!
Immediate suppression!
Section deflection!
Deflection!
3122!
3122!
Charge 1! Elevation! 0993! 6 rounds in the effect!
Rodriguez, sling the hose.
I got next week, Rodriguez.
What's up?
I got next week.
Alright, L's in, L's in. Hit it. Oh yeah, you're good. Rise out on wood! Take it on wood! Half up! Pull up! Fire! Pull it back hard. Pull it back.
Is what everybody else is shooting at?
Come here, come here.
Fire, put the weapon system on set.
Up five.
6 round burst. Searching fires. 5 clicks down. Fire. Up 10. Up 10, left 10.
Up 10, left 10.
I did condition one weapon. All right, stand. Team. Enemy spotted. Dismount. Up 5. Go. Up 5.
You get right tight down on.
Fire. Right, Freddie. Stop. What's he on?
Ready to the gun. Ride the boat. Let's let it on fire. Ride it up too. There we go. There you go.
Good?
Right there.
Dig your feet into the
Alright, bring it right forward.
Not like you're shooting a rifle. Dig it. Come on, hey, come here. Fast, down through.
Hey, Doug, you got gloves?
Close it.
You can let go of that now.
1, 2, 3, stop. Up 5.
It's quick. Bro, just like. Now go right.
Lopez.
Roger.
Let's go, Jared. Get closer. Get closer. You can get closer.
Just like that. 2. CLB dudes, take it. Half load, full load. No. Hey. Half load, full load. Hey, homie. You ready for the next?
You get.
All right, that's the last one.
Last one.
All right, sweet. Pull bolts to rear. Jump burst, fire. 6 rounds. Down 4. Better shoulder pressure. Fire again. Fire it out. Fire it out. Pull back. Push them both forwards. Press fire. Scream.
Half load.
Put the weapon system on safe. Do it again. Do not fire it this time. Put them both forward, back, forward and up. Say it.
Full load.
6 round burst. Shooter on you. Tight shoulder pressure. Stand by really quick. Fire. Right 2. So what? Down 1. Tighten out that shoulder pressure. Fire it out!